You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this phrase from Spanish, which is just a phrase from Spanish, but it's also the name of an archipelago in South America, in Argentina in particular, and Chile. Chile, yes, of course. It means literally the earth of fire, or the land of fire. The Spanish pronunciation first, and then we'll get to how you can easily say it in English, is as tierra, tierra. So if you are trying to pronounce it in Spanish, because there's a double R, you need to roll the R twice as long as you normally would. So it's not tierra, tierra, okay? Tierra del Fuego. Tierra del Fuego. That's your Spanish pronunciation here. In English, if you can now trail the R, you can say Tierra, Tierra del Fuego. Tierra del Fuego, that's your English pronunciation here, or Tierra del Fuego. And now you know. Was this useful? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.